In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot in WordPress. If you want to capture leads, add forms, and track visitors on your website, this setup will make it very easy. Now first, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type HubSpot and wait for the plugin to appear. Now install the official HubSpot plugin and then click on Activate. After activation, you will see a HubSpot option added to your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and it will ask you to log in or create your HubSpot account. Connect your account so both WordPress and HubSpot can sync together. Once connected, you can start using HubSpot tools directly inside WordPress. You can create pop-up forms, embedded forms, and live chat widgets to capture leads from your website. All the data will automatically go into your HubSpot CRM, where you can manage contacts and track their activity. You can also view analytics like page visits, form submissions, and customer interactions right from your dashboard. This helps you understand how visitors are engaging with your website and which pages are generating the most leads. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel